Today we're going to be talking about clip-on tuners, how to use them, and everything you need to know about them. Cool. So there are two kinds of clip-on tuners. Our first one's a chromatic tuner. They can hear all the notes in music, every single one. And with them, we can tune to any note we want. The other kind of clip-on tuner is a guitar tuner, and they will only hear the open strings of the guitar, only those 6 notes. So basically, guitar tuners can tune guitars, and chromatic tuners can tune anything. This one here that I've got is a chromatic tuner. It can hear all notes. Generally speaking, they go for about $10 to $30. This one was about $15. So you clip it onto the head of your guitar, like so, and then you turn it on. So clip-on tuners should tell you what note you are closest to. And they should also have some sort of needle or lights to indicate if you are too high, your sound is too high, so you're sharp, or your sound is too low, so you're flat, or if you're smack bang on the money and you're in tune. On this one here, when it's red, that means we're flat. When it's yellow, that means we're sharp. And when it's green, that means we have the note we want. Now this tuner in it has a microphone, so it picks up all sound that comes at it. So when we're tuning our guitar, we need to be quiet. I can't talk. Anyway, let's start with our low E. Our tuner is telling us that we're closer to D sharp, so we need to come up. We're in the red. In the yellow, so we're sharp. You gotta bring it back a bit now. We're on the green. We're in tune. Cool. Let's just do our next string, our A string. We're in the red. We're pretty flat. Tighten the string. There we go. We're in tune. We're in the green. So let's do our D string. Our D string is sharp. It's in the yellow, so we'll bring it back. We gotta loosen the string. Cool, we're in the green. Our D is in tune. All right, so I'll just do the rest of them really, really quickly because I think you see what's going on here. And there we go. Our E's in tune. So we've used this electronic tuner. Doesn't take long, as you can see, and we're in tune. Cool, you're in tune. About a $15 tuner, takes about 2-3 minutes to tune up your guitar, and then you're done and you can always be in tune. So they're a pretty good investment, good to have in your back pocket. Still recommend learning how to tune by ear because you've always got your ears with you. But other than that, yeah, totally get one, they're good. Cool, hope you enjoyed the video guys, hope you got something out of it. Take it easy.